All right, y'all, we back with another one. This one's a bigger box, giant box. Let's see what's going on with this one right here. Okay. I might have to definitely drop this one down. This one's gonna have to go on the floor. It's too big. All right, let me figure something out. Matter of fact, I guess I can move this to the side real quick and I might drop this one down. Just pull it out. Another $5. I'll see what's inside this bad boy right now. All right. Well, let's grab this one. Oh yeah. Nice little Nascar. Number 43. STP. Richard Petty, huh? That's that one. Let's go for this one right here. What we got here? Number 27. Smaller car, huh? A lot smaller. I wonder what size this one is. This one's big. Yeah. But yeah, this one's kind of small. What size is this one? It's a 124. What is this one? This one's huge. 118 scale? Whew. It's a big boy. All right. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, shit. Got a Pontiac diesel. It's pretty nice. What does the back look like? Nothing. What year is this one? Let's see if I can find the date on here somewhere. I don't see the date. It definitely looks old. It's gotta be. Alright, that's it for this one. Let's see what else we got up in here. Oh shit. Got another one. Number 78. Let's put this truck to the side. Number 78. Who's the driver on this one? If y'all know, leave it in the comments. I like this black one. It's pretty nice. Definitely like that one. All right, let's pull this big one out. I have to get rid of these giant ones. These ones are way too big. Oh yeah. The hood opens on these too. They're just so big. I swear the 118, I thought they were smaller, but I guess not. They're big. So who's the driver on this one? 43. Oh, it's the same guy. That's the other one. All right. There's one right here. Another one. That's badass. Number 23. Anybody know who's the driver on this one? It's a Ford Taurus. Alright, that's it for that one. Let's see what we got. Number 35. Who's that right there? Who's that guy right there? I don't know. Y'all tell me. His name is in cursive right there. Oh, okay. Oh, that's who he is right there. I like this one. Hood opens on this one too. Very nice. Well, that's it for this box. Quick and short and simple. Fast in a hurry. But yeah, we'll just go through these one more time, and as I'm putting them back in the box. Nice. This one. I like this one too. This one's tight. Got Ford. That Castro GTX. These are big, man. They're nice though, but they're big. They're just a little bigger, but you know, I got a set over there that's smaller, so I really don't. This will just be out of the. This, I might have to get rid of this one. Yeah, definitely. And this one too, this big one. This other big one. Yep, that's that one. And here's a little small one. That black and yellow, number 78. Who is the driver on this one? I don't know. Y'all tell me. This one doesn't, the hood doesn't open on this one. It's a nice though. I like this truck. Nice. All right, that's y'all. That's it for this box. As you can see. Go ahead and leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'm out. Peace, y'all.